Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix sorry there was a problem with your request on Instagram. For example, if you try to log in into your account on Instagram and you see that there is an error like that while logging into your Instagram account, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, if you have another account, then you can simply log in with your account. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open that account and you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to go to settings and privacy. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of report a problem. So here what you have to do, you have to simply report that problem to Instagram team so that they can solve the problem for you. So here you have to click on help, and after that you have to click on report a problem, and after that you have to simply click on report a problem without shaking, and after that you have to click on include and continue, and then after that you have to provide details about your problem you are having on Instagram login. And if you do not have another account to say the problem to Instagram team so that they can solve it for you, there is also another method which is that you have to simply open a new browser, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram report a problem. So here what you have to do, Instagram report problem, so you have to click on the first link you are provided with, and after that they will tell you the same method, but you have to scroll it down until you find the option of was this helpful. So here you have to click on no, and you have to simply select any of the options here, and after that there will be a dialog box open, and here you have to provide here the details of the problem you are having while logging into your account. And after that you have to provide here your email address so that Instagram team will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. And here you have to simply submit the problem, and your problem will be resolved by the Instagram team as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.